Hey guys, so I'm going to attempt to make some Happy Planner-esque sticker storage today. Some of you guys have probably seen these in some of my other videos where I like to keep all of my stickers together. These are just Dollar Tree photo albums, but I recently saw in a couple of other videos that people have kind of started using the Happy Planner disc system to make like little sticker books, and this was my first attempt, and basically I had an old Happy Planner, so I'm using the discs from that, and then I also took like pieces of the dividers, like the monthly dividers and pages, and you can kind of see them underneath there. It's just pages that I hadn't used, and they were pretty, good cardstock, pretty thick, so I used them to actually make this. So I'm making one for my friend Jill. I got her quite a few stickers for her birthday, and I also went through my sticker stash because I'm not really a planner, but she is, and so I pulled out a lot of sheets that she could use, and so I'm going to make a sticker book for her. Now for this I just used a folder. This one is from the Dollar Tree from a couple of years ago, but you guys may have seen me haul these plastic file folders from Dollar Tree. Because it's plastic, it's going to make a much better, sturdier cover. It's not going to really kind of fall apart like the paper covers would. So I'm actually going to cut this up and attempt to make a sticker book with this. I'm going to use a bunch of my scraps that I have to actually make the pages where I connect my sticker sheets to. So I'm going to start by measuring this out and figuring out how big I need my covers to be, and then I'm just going to start attaching the sticker sheets to the paper after I cut it down. I'm going to speed this up and put it to some music, but then I'll come back at the end and show you guys some close-ups and kind of talk about some of the struggles that I face maybe while making this and answer some questions. Okay guys, so a couple of things I learned while doing this. The first is that I obviously didn't measure this correctly. For most of these, when I cut one of these pages here, like this green one, I think this might have been the first one that I did, I held it up to one of these to make sure that it would fit, and I just didn't do that with these two pages. So they do hang out a little bit past, but not by too much. And you know, if she wants to, she can always put on another cover later. I can make another cover for her later. But I really like how it turned out. I thought I was getting the mini rings, and it turns out I was getting the medium classic size rings. So you know, I didn't want there to be like a bunch of extra space, but there is. So, but that's good though. She has plenty of room to grow if she needs to. So you guys might have seen that when I took these full sheets, they fit on here perfectly. So there's quite a few of those. And then when I got to some of these pages that were just smaller in size, I added another shorter sticker down here at the bottom. I did it for a couple of these pages. And then when I got to these, at first, you know, I just put them on a large page and I was going to add some other stickers to the bottom. And then I was like, you know what? Why not just cut it off? I mean, the whole point of, you know, kind of using this system is so that you're not, you know, kind of locked in, I guess, to using a certain or specific size piece of paper. So these are just kind of cut off, and then so they're put on here, you know, starting at various rings. And again, she could move them around and change them if she wanted to. And I did that with a few of these others. Actually, I'm going to move this one up. There we go. And then you guys probably saw that with these, again, I just kind of, there was a like this much left at the bottom, and I just chopped it off because, you know, what's the point? Might as well. And then I had quite a few stickers that some of you may recognize. These are from the Maggie Holmes sticker book, and some are these, I think these are from We Are Memory Keepers. Oh, hold on. You know what? Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. It is, yeah, it's a Mambi it's a happy planner sticker book basically. But I had a bunch of stickers in here that I wasn't going to be using, and so what I did originally, as you guys know, I had them in my little photo albums basically from Dollar Tree, and I had cut them up into smaller pieces so that they'd fit in there. But then I just added them here. For some of these I had to cut things off and then, you know, just add like these little tiny pieces. And I still have, I think this is the very last page. Yep, this very last page again was one of those. These are all scraps. These are all scraps that I have from other projects, and so this one didn't quite fit. And the entire time I was really looking for stuff that would fit and make everything look really uniform. But then I was like, you know what, like, this paper is really pretty, it almost fits. You know, I have a bunch of other pages in here that don't go all the way from the top to the bottom. Why not? So I have this one here, and then the back is blank and empty. I do still have a few more stickers to add in here, but it's getting to the point where they're all like these little tiny pieces, and I just needed a break to, you know, from sticking all these little tiny pieces down. But what I might do is just add in a few extra blank pages here in the back, and even some of these, like these ones up in the front that are just, go all the way back, that are just these like 2-inch strips. That way if she wants, she can add more stickers to this in the back. In fact, yep, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I have plenty of scraps that will go along with this. So yeah, that's basically it. I found these that you might have seen. This is from Dollar Tree, and I was debating on between using this one and this one. For whatever reason, like this one just, I don't know if you can tell, it's like coming apart. This one I thought was like prettier, and actually why I bought the pack, but it's damaged in some places and it's just like flaking off, and I just didn't want to give her that. This fuzzy sticker is from Michael's. I got this actually just the other day. Well, by the time this video comes up, it won't be just the other day, but they were originally $3.99, so $4. I did not pay that. They were on sale. They were $1 a piece when I bought them, so I got quite a few of them, and I just hot glued her down so that, you know, once you got everything done, and if you want to travel with this, you can just loop your elastic around. It keeps everything together. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have other suggestions. I'm only just starting to kind of explore alternative ways to use this other than in the Happy Planner itself. I know they just came out with a line of like happy notes, but if you have some really good ideas for hacks on how to use these, let me know. And like I said, definitely go grab some of these from Dollar Tree. They're nice plastic covers, and even if you are, you know, someone that likes the Happy Planner, it would be good, you know, it never hurts to change up your covers now and again. Alright, so I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!